back to my channel. I finally opened this month's Boxycharm. Hopefully I can get it uploaded in time, just in case you guys want to get this box too. Okay, I'm going to completely skip the primer because I know there's some kind of skincare something in here. Let me show you guys what's in this box. I will have it linked in the description box down there if you want to get this box. But 25% off site-wide, Natasha, Denona website. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this Earth Harbor Anti-Pollution Youth Poly. I don't know if that's how you say it. I don't even know what this is. So essentially I think it's a moisturizer. Apply 2 or more drops after cleansing and toning as needed. Unparalleled in strength in combating pollutants and daily skin stressors. The godsend for skin in need of after sun replenishment. Bold defense against the elements and thriving barrier function. I don't know, but I'm going to apply it first. Really has no smell to it whatsoever. It's a little oily, but I guess it doesn't stay oily. It makes your skin feel really soft. Let me see. I'm not going to add too much because I have oily skin. We're just going to rub this in. And then it also comes with this Jouer Lip Enhancer. I did want to try this when it came out. I can't say I'm that excited about it because they took me off their PR list, but whatever, that's another story. I want to put some of this on. Also comes with this lip oil. What is this? INT Cosmetics lip oil. I'm not going to use this because I just used that other thing. So the next thing would be the palette, which I'm really excited about, but let me first do the rest of my face. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Stick Foundation. I know I've mentioned this before, my forehead. It always looks like when I have bronzer, it always looks right here like as if I didn't blend it out or I put too much bronzer on the side, but it's actually my vein. I have a vein right there. It's really dark, and for some reason it's getting darker. And makeup just really doesn't cover it unless I actually concentrate on this area like I'm doing right now. It bothers me so much, but I never have time to just like single this area out, so I'm kind of just color correcting right now. It drives me crazy. I don't know if I said it, but I'm in the color Macaroon in this foundation, this stick foundation. I don't want to swipe in this area that I just put it. I'm going to just tap it. I'm going to take Tarte Shape Tape. Is anybody excited for Christmas? It's coming up so fast. I went into Target a couple days ago and I just felt not excited for it. I don't know why. Happy to see some of the stuff come out even though it's pretty early, but I'm just not that excited for Christmas this year. Just because everything is different, I guess. Just because with coronavirus and stuff, I actually still care about it, so I kind of just don't want to be around anybody right now. I don't know. I'm going to take a little bit of Laura Mercier's translucent powder and set my under eye. Just kind of take a good amount and then pat it under until it's gone. Oh, what is that? Oh my god. It's on this. Oh my god, my daughter! It's black eyeshadow. She was up here the other day and doing something to her face, and then I come back over here and there's black eyeshadow all over. I mean, she hit pan on an eyeshadow and it was just all over the place. So now every time I touch things, it's black eyeshadow. Okay, I'm just gonna skip 2 eyes right now. Okay, probably my favorite thing out of the whole box when I opened it was this Natasha Denona palette. I know it's probably super boring to you and basic, but these colors always really excite me in any palette, and I really like that this is super compact. Okay, I'm first gonna go in with this color right here, Aya, I think it's called. I'm gonna go in with that color right there first and kind of just do a whole sweep over my eyelid with a blending brush, so it's not really gonna lay down too much color. Then I'm going to take this color right here, next to the shimmery color, Amhara. I'm gonna take that color. And why does my thing look super light? I'm gonna add it to my crease. Oh, just a little bit above my crease as a transition shade, but I'm gonna concentrate the most of the color on the outer corner. Whatever's left on my brush, I am taking in the inner corner. Why? But I messed with my ring light settings and now it's making me look super white and washed out, and I don't like that. Okay, the next color I'm going to take is this orange color right here, which is Jasper, I think. So I'm going to take that color right here. Basically going to do the same thing. I'm just going to concentrate it on the outer corner. So I'm going to put it into the crease and then kind of just going upward. So not fully around my eye, but just kind of up. So I want the majority of the color in this section right here. And then with that same brush, I'm going to add a little bit, just a little bit of the brown with this same blending brush so it doesn't go on as opaque. It's going to add just a little. In the same motion that I used before. Just to darken it up just a little bit. What is happening right now with my face? It looks super white. Okay, I'm going to go back into this right here, this color. This time I'm using a brush that's just a little bit more dense and I'm just going to pack it on. I don't want like a type of cut crease, so I'm just packing it on and then I'm just going to blend it out with my brush. Really soft. And then I'm going to kind of do like a shadow liner. I'm going to take this brown color right here with an angled brush. I'm just going to kind of do a line straight down like if I was doing an eyeliner. And then whatever's left, just kind of feathering it out. I don't really want a full sharp wing. I'm kind of just feathering it outward. And then on the lower lash line, I'm also going to add a little bit of that brown color, but again, really lightly. Very lightly. Some mascara, the one I've really been loving is this Laura Mercier Caviar Volume. And then lashes, I'm going to use the Lash Bar LA in Boss Babe. I think these are them. They might be in the wrong box. This reminds me of one of those you needed like a match to light it. In the box is this Bodyography Professional. It's a 2-pack eyeliner. It comes with black and brown. So I just added the brown to my waterline. Let's warm this face up. And to do that, I'm going to use Benefit's Hoola Bronzer. This is a Zoeva 101 Face Definer. So I'm going to do my nose with that color. Whoa! Was not supposed to do that. And then I'm going to take this Milani Banana Setting Powder. Love this. Super affordable if you're looking for... I'm going to use this to clean up under my cheeks, but oh my god, I'm running out. There's hardly anything in there. That sucks. Then I'm going to take this Laura Mercier, their holiday one of their holiday palettes, and I'm going to use both the blush and highlighter. I'm going to take a little bit of this blush. Tiny amount. Not really anything, but I am going to put it on the nose. And then I just got this brush from Laura Mercier. It's the finishing brush, Candlelight Sheer Perfecting Powder. I think this is for after, like an all over powder. Maybe not. I don't really have a shimmer to it, so I'm just going to take a little bit of this and go over everything. It's more if you want a natural dewy finish, but I'm just going to use this brush anyways to kind of take most of this off. Have here, this is the Makeup Forever Versatile Chestnut Lip. Well, it's an all over artist. What is this called? Artist color pencil. So it could be used multiple places. I'm going to use the lipstick that I've been using lately, which is Dose of Colors Cork. I think I used everything except the lip oil from this box. So you guys check out the description. Go get this box. I didn't even talk about it. I think if you can afford this box, you can cancel any time. But I think if you can afford this box monthly, it's totally worth it, because especially if you want to try a specific thing, because they have had, but I know all this year, they've had really good brands in there. There's been Tarte, MAC, I think Laura Mercier was in there. There's just been a lot of really good brands, especially if you've been wanting to try something, especially like a mascara. Nowadays, a mascara costs by itself the price of this whole box, which is why I say that I think it's worth it, especially if you want to try a palette. I don't know how much this palette is by itself, but I'm pretty sure it's either equal to or maybe even a little bit more than the price of this whole entire box. So that's why I say it's a really good deal if you guys can afford it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.